Hi, this is a video. This is Courtney, and I am here to talk about the Resourcefulness Challenge. And I do this a lot for my kids, and hopefully it helps someone else. I know some of my students are using it, and that makes me very happy. Tonight, my daughter came into the library, and she asked me, there was a local author signing day at the library. My daughter works there, and she was like, "What are you doing for dinner, Mom?" I said, "Well, I'll get home about 8 o'clock, and I'm making some turkey spaghetti." And so she wanted to come out and eat. And I said, "Well, we're probably going to go to bed pretty soon after that." So she said, "Oh, it's just too expensive to eat out. I spent $80 last time I cooked a meal." And so I wanted to give a few simple ideas for things you can make at home for cheap. And these are not necessarily ideas I would give for people like myself that always, I might do something like a Buddha bowl or a sweet potato with an egg on top or something like that. She's not going to do that. So I'm going to give you some simple, easy ideas. Tonight we're having turkey chili. I buy the organic turkey at Kroger, the 93% lean. I do not use any other brand. It tastes awful to me except that one. Sometimes I use the Boca crumbles. You just simply heat that up, brown it all very thoroughly, put some seasoning on it if you have it. Garlic, salt, pepper is good, a little onion. And then you simply pour, after you drain it, if there's any oil, drain it, you pour spaghetti sauce on it, and you cook the noodles to the package directions. Other things that are easy to make are tacos. Again, you can use the Boca crumbles, you can use beans, you buy lettuce, tomato, salsa and cheese and some taco shells and taco seasoning, and you follow the directions. Grilled cheese sandwiches are easy with tomato soup. I like the Amy's tomato soup. Last night we had tuna fish sandwiches and tomato soup. Some other things that I like to do that are super easy when the kids were living at home is I would buy a healthy version of a frozen burrito, and I would serve that to the kids, and then I might make them a smoothie on the side. So it's really expensive to eat out. There's a lot of really cheap things you can do at home. The other thing my kids would do a lot when they lived at home is make omelets, or make eggs and make toast with that. So French toast is easy to make as well. You can simply take bread and you just soak it in an egg mixture, egg and a little milk, or egg and a little orange juice. You soak it in there, you put it into a hot pan, brown it on each side, and put some maple syrup on top. Totally cheap, totally easy. Now, when I'm eating this way, I often will make green smoothies on the side to help get some of my fruits and veggies in. So you would put like a cup of frozen fruit and strawberries, blueberries, banana, and then add either some juice or almond milk. And then I will add at least a cup of like fresh spinach. And you just blend that up. You could add some yogurt to it as well if you wanted to, but there's not really any need to. And then I would eat that for a snack later or with my meal. Another thing, especially with my daughter, is you can buy potatoes. You just poke a fork in them a couple of times. You wrap them in a paper towel, put them in the microwave, you take them out, you cut them open, you put some butter in the center, and then you put whatever toppings you want. I know she likes cheese and sour cream. You could steam some broccoli and put that on there. So there's lots of easy, cheap things that you can do. You just have to kind of have a list of what that would be. Go to the grocery store and buy it. The least expensive fruits and vegetables you can buy are potatoes, carrots, and onions, bananas, apples, and oranges. Spinach isn't too terribly expensive, and it's a good green to have. If you're not sure how to cook all of these things, you can simply take the potatoes, carrots, and onions, cut them all up, throw them in a bowl with a little olive oil and garlic, salt, and pepper, toss them, put them in the oven at 400 for about 45 minutes or till they're tender. That's a great roasted vegetables. I use the spinach a lot. You could just put a little bit of oil or butter in a pan with some garlic and saute it until it's wilted. Takes like 3 minutes, or put it in smoothies. And of course, apples and peanut butter are a good snack. Oranges are a good snack by themselves. Bananas, you can eat them plain, eat them with peanut butter. You can put them in smoothies. You can freeze them and put them with a little almond milk, not much, just a little bit to make like an ice cream. And then I usually top that with like I use carob chips, but you could use a little dark chocolate on top, or you can mix some peanut butter in and have like a peanut butter smoothie. So I hope that those are some good ideas. I hope this helps my daughter and some other youngsters out there, or people who want simple, easy ideas. You can Google anything these days. I love the cookbook Cooking More with Less. It's a Mennonite missionary cookbook, and it's a great way to cook meals and save money. Eating at home is about 300% cheaper. There's a 300% markup on food that you get out, and if it's really cheap, it's probably really bad for you. So I hope that helps. Oh, one more last final thing. I know my daughter loves nachos. Buy a bag of organic chips, buy some organic beans, canned, drain them, get the seasoned kind, put some cheese on top, put that all in the oven in a pan, melt it, and then throw lettuce, tomato, and salsa on top, and you've got a great pan of semi-healthy nachos. Alrighty, thank you.